morning students. Today we are going to solve the remaining problems in exercise 6.1. The second problem is arrange the fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the fractions from smaller fractions to larger fraction. First we have to look at the denominators. They all are different. So they are unlike fractions. We have to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. To convert them into unlike fractions to like fractions, we have to find LCM. LCM of 4, 9, 8 and 5. First, let us factorize it with 2. 2 into 2 is 4. We can't factorize 2 with 9. So, keep 9 as it is. 4 into 2 is 8. And we cannot factorize 5 with 2. So, keep 5 as it is. Next, again factorize it with 2. 1, 2 is 2. Keep 9 as it is. 2 into 2 is 4. And keep 5 as it is. Again factorize it with 2. Keep 9 as it is. 1 into 2 is 2. And keep 5 as it is. Now factorize it with 3. 3 into 3 is 9. We cannot factorize 3 with 5. So keep 5 as it is. Again factorize it with 3. 1, 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Keep this as it is and we have 5. To factorize 5, we have to use 5. 1, 1, 1, 1. So, LCM is, we have to multiply all these numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 3 into 3 is 9. And here we have 5. For easy multiplication, I am following like this. First multiply all the roots. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8 and keep that aside. 3 into 3 is 9 and we have 5. 8 5s are 40. I have multiplied 8 and 5. 8 5s are 40. To 40 we have to multiply 9. 0 into 9 is 0. 9 4s are 36. So the LCM is 316. First convert 3 by 4. We have to multiply with certain number to 4 to get the denominator 360. We know that 9 4s are 36. 9 into 4 is 36, but we have a 0 here. So we have to multiply it with 90. 90 into 4 is 30, 360. 9 4s are 36, no. So first write 9 and extra we have 0 here. So put here also as 0. So 4 into 90 is 360. Multiply in the numerator also with 90. 9 3s are 27. Here we have a 0, no, so put a 0. 9 3s are 27. And we have a 0 here, so we have to put a 0. Next we are going to convert 4 by 9. We have to multiply it with numerator and denominator to get 360. What is that number? Again 9 4s are 36. Here we have a 0, no, so we have to put a 0 here. In numerator also we have to multiply it 40. 4 into 4 is 16. Here we have a 0, so we have to put a 0 here also. 9 4s are 36. Here we have a 0, so we have to put a 0 here also. 4 into 4 is 16. Here we have a 0, so we have to put a 0 here also. Next we are going to convert 5 by 8 with the number to get 360. If we can't find that number, we have to just divide 360 and 8. One 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 3 8 is 24, 4 8 is 22, 5 8 is 40, 8 4 is 32. So write 22 and subtract. We have 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 minus 3 is 0. So we have to bring down this 0. 4 is smaller than 8, so we cannot divide. So we have to bring the 0 down. 5 into 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So we have to multiply it with 45. If we can't find this number, we have to divide 360 by 8. While dividing the quotient, we have got this 45. So we have to multiply 8 with 45 to get 360. So multiply the same number in the numerator also. 45 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So right here and 2 is remaining. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So the number is 225. If we can't find this number, we have to divide 360 by 5. The quotient we have got is 45. So we have to multiply it with 45 in the numerator and denominator. We have got 360 and in the numerator we have got 225. Next, 1 by 5. If we can't find that number, we have to divide 360 by this number. In the denominator, we have 5. 7 5s are 35. Subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 is smaller than 5, so we cannot divide. So bring down the 0. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So the number is 72. 1 into 72 is 72. 72 into 5 is 360. Now we are going to compare all these fractions. We are going to compare all these fractions. First, find out the smaller one because we are going to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange from smaller number to larger number. 72 is smaller. So write that first. 72 by 360. Next, we have these three numbers. 160 is smaller, so write that. Next, 270 and 255. Sorry, 225. 225 is smaller. Next, the largest fraction here is 270. 270 divided by 360. Now write their equivalent fractions. 1 by 5, 160. Here we have 4 by 9. Here 5 by 8. And for here 3 by 2. So we have written the fractions in the ascending order. For ascending order, you must use less than 5. We have to read it as 1 by 5 is less than 4 by 9, is less than 5 by 8, is less than 3 by 4. For ascending order, you must use less than 5. This is the smallest fraction and this is the largest fraction. Now we are going to arrange these fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the smaller fraction to larger fraction. First we have to look at the denominators. We have different numbers, so they are unlike fractions. For unlike fractions, we have to convert them into like fractions. So we have to find the LCM. First, let us factorize it with 3. We cannot factorize 5 with 3, so keep 5 as it is. 4 3s are 12. Next, 3 into 2 is 6. 1 3 is 3. Next, factorize it with 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 2 is 2. Again factorize it with 2. 1 2 is 2. Now factorize it with 5. 1 1 1 1. So the LCM is 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 6 is 60. So the LCM is 60. We have to convert the denominators into 60. First, let us take the number 9 by 5. To 5, we have to multiply a number to get the denominator 60. What will be the number? It will be 12. 12 into 5 is 60. Multiply both the numerator and denominator with 12. 5 into 12 is 60. Next, multiply 12 and 9. 9 twos are 18. Remaining we have 1. 1 into 9 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So, in the numerator we have 108. 12 into 9 is 108. Next, we have to convert 11 by 12. We have to multiply with a certain number to get 60. For 5, we have multiplied with 12. So, for 12, we have to multiply it with 5. 11 into 5 is 55. 12 into 5 is 60. Next, we have to convert 5 by 6. We have to multiply 6 with a certain number to get 60. What will be that number? It will be 10. 5 into 10 is 15. 10 into 6 is 16. Next, we are going to convert this fraction. We have to multiply it with certain denominator to get 60. What will be that number? 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Remaining we have 0. So we have to put a 0 here also. 3 into 2 is 6. Here we have a 0. So we have to put a 0. 20 into 3 is 16. So we have to multiply it with 20 in the numerator also. 14 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 1 into 2 is 2. We have multiplied only 14 and 2. And we have got 28. But we have skipped that 0. So add that 0. 14 into 2 is 28. And we have added 0. Now compare all these fractions. That is, we have to look at the numerator alone. Find the smallest one. 50 is the smallest one. 50 by 60 is less than. Next one is 55. 55 by 60. Next one is 108 by 60. And the next one is 280 by 60. Write their equivalent fractions. For 50 we have 5 by 6. For 55 we have 11 by 12. For 100 we have 9 by 5. And for 280 by 60 we have 14 by 3. So this is the ascending order. The next question is Sohan and Nikita study in the same school. Sohan's school is 19 by 6 km from the school, while Nikita's house is 25 by 7 km from the school. Who stays closer to the school? Nikita and Sohan study in the same school. Sohan's house is 19 by 6 km from the school and Nikita's house is 25 by 7 km from the school. We have to find who stays closer to the school. So we have to compare the numbers, fractions 19 by 6 and 25 by 7. 19 by 6 and 25 by 7. They are unlike fractions. They have to convert them into like fractions. So we have to find LCM of 6 and 7. First let us factorize it with 7. So we have to keep 6 answers because we can't factorize 6 with 7. So we have to keep 6 answers. 1, 7 is 7. Next we have to factorize 3. We have to factorize 6. We are going to factorize 6 with 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Again factorize it with 2. So the LCM is 7 into 3 into 2. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 into 2 is 42. So the LCM is 42. Now we are going to convert 19 by 6. We have to multiply a number to 6 to get the denominator as 42. What will be that number? It will be 7. 6 sevens are 42. So 42 will be in the denominator. Now multiply 19 and 7. Seven nines are 63. So write linear and 6 is remaining. 1, 7 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 133. Now we are going to convert 25. We have to multiply a certain number to 7 to get the denominator 42. That number will be 6. 6 sevens are 42. Now multiply 25 and 6. 5, 6 are 30. Write 0 here and 3 is remaining. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 150. Now we have got 133 by 42 and 150 by 42. Now compare this. We have to find which distance is smaller. 133. 133 is smaller when comparing with 150. The equivalent fraction for it is 19 by 6 is less than 25 by 7. 90 by 6 is the distance from the Sohan's house. So, Sohan stays closer to the school. While comparing, 133 is smaller than 150. So, this distance is smaller. That is, equivalent fraction is 19 by 6. 19 by 6 is the kilometer from Sohan's house to school. So, Sohan stays